Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. None other. Welcome back to my channel. For anybody who knows me, I love doing She-Ra and He-Man, Masters of He-Man, Masters of the Universe, She-Ra, Princess of Power, makeup tutorials. And today I decided I'm going to work on a He-Man character. And the character I'm working on is He-Man, Masters of the Universe. And I'm going to be doing Fisto. Now, like I'm going to say in this one several times, Fisto used to serve Hordak. And that's the reason why I had to come and do him. This is the reason why I had to come and do him. Now, the reason he used to serve Hordak. Now, I'm blending out this very beautiful navy blue because to get closer to his colors, he wore this um, blue, and then we're gonna add this shimmer color into it, but we're gonna wait till we almost through to finish that to add that in and thing. But like I'm saying, Fisto, actually we're gonna add a little more of this, and right up in here, back in that crease, we're just gonna build this navy blue up right quick. It's and stuff. So we're just going to build that up, and we're going to very softly in the front, and then very hot and stuff. So with Fisto, like I said, used to serve Hordak, and because he used to serve Hordak, because of the information he knew gotten from the original keeper of the original keeper of Grayskull, he turned over the stones. Okay, here. Okay, so here's another one, and we're just going to use that to just lightly blend this out. We're gonna like, alrighty, okay, it's looking much. So the next thing is we're going to take this brush, and we're going, just with this side, we're going to add our highlight. We're just going to add this as a highlight. And then we're just going to add that as a highlight. And then we're just going to add that as a highlight. And we're just going to blend it out. So like I said, he was, used to be served Skeletor and stuff. And in an instance, he was fighting the Elf Lord and everything. And with this, he comes across He-Man. Doing with that, this was a chance for him to make right what he has done. Now, what he has done is he did everything that He-Man did, everything that Skeletor has told him to do, attacking and everything and stuff like that. Alright, so now we're going to take this beautiful shimmery color right here, and we're just going to take that shimmery color, and we're just going to add that into the lids. We're just going to add that to the lids, and we're just going to pack that in. And that's going to represent the silver, and we're just going to go back over it in a minute. And things, so yeah. Alright, so now we're going to blend that out. I like that, I like that, I like that, I like that a lot. So now we're going to take this color, Let me show you. We're going to take this color right here, and we're just going, it's sort of like purple, but woo, it's almost like a purple color, but we're just going to add it to the edging right here. We're just adding it to the edging. That's what I wanted to do, just add it to the edging. And we're just going to blend it out. All right. So now, let me take a look at this mirror. Take a look at it. Actually, it's turned out pretty great. So we're going to take that same shimmer color. Now I needed to put that nude base down because I'm going back in very light-handed with that shimmery blue color and put that right up in here. Yep. And so we're through with that. So we're just gonna set those brushes over to the side because I will wash my brushes afterwards. And we're going to take this brush and we're going to take my setting powder right here. And we're just going to add it to the face. And like I'm saying with Fisto, and things. So we're having that. And so what we're going to do next is we're going to add the brows. So this is the brows product. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio chocolate brown, and this is the only thing I'll use on my brows. So, and yeah, we're just gonna come in and we're just going to put this right up in here. All right. So after that, we're gonna let that tack. We're gonna let this tack up a bit. So we're gonna need two brushes. We're going to need these two brushes right here. Well, actually this brush. We're gonna need these right here. Okay. So like I'm saying, like Fisto. So let me just say Fisto. And so for the blush, I'm going to do something very light. I'm going to use this Pore by, this is my favorite blush I'm always using. I know it. And I'm just going to take this blush and we're just going to do this. I'm going to use that one. And we're just going to put a tad of Wild Card in. We're going to use two blushes just to not be so bland. And we're just going to tap up in here. All right. There we go. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Moonstone. Now, anytime y'all see me do He-Man or She-Ra makeup tutorials, Moonstone is the only color that I will use. And let me get back. So when he turns on Skeletor, let me just put that. When he turns on Skeletor and start doing good and stuff. I'm gonna come in at the top of my hairline and we're gonna blend that out in a minute. And we're just gonna add a little to the nose. Alright. Once we get through with that, we're going to take this and we're just going to do this. And I'm just making sure everything is settled. And we're going to do that. And just to go in a little bit, what is like right in here. Just to make sure everything is blended out, okay? We're just going to do a double blend. And we're just going to take this all over the face before we use the lipstick. As y'all see, it is coming out very beautifully and stuff. And my hair is very curly, so y'all make sure y'all go to my YouTube channel and check out I have more videos like this. But getting back to Fisto, like I said, Fisto turned against Skeletor, y'all. Let me just say, turn against Skeletor. And things, I'm just doing this. And we're just doing this. Just making sure everything is tight. And I'm going to be using mink because I'm just going to be using mink. I'm going to be using a new color, so you're getting a pretty good look. But with Fisto, once Fisto betrays Skeletor and stuff, he becomes like a trusted ally of Skeletor, trusted ally of He-Man, because it comes out in the story that he knew Man-at-Arms. So Man-at-Arms, it's like, I just like it. I mean, I just think his character is not a sport, wasn't. And so yeah, this is the Fisto makeup tutorial. I will leave you some links of actually episodes you can actually go and check on or tell. So yes, I'm gonna leave the actual video, the video where you can go, what episode you need to look at so you can see him, like you can get. And I just think for the look that I did, I really think I did pretty well for the look. So y'all, if you want to know all the products that I use for this, please look below the box. And y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.